Traveling sucks when your tech doesn't work. Dead phone, cluttered bag, overweight luggage. But what if just 5 gadgets could completely change the way you travel? We tested dozens of products, and these are the absolute best. No gimmicks, no overhype, just 5 tools that solve real problems for real travelers. Let's get into it. Number 5, the cable chaos killer. Have you ever opened your bag only to find a spaghetti explosion of wires and chargers? Yeah, we've all been there. This 2-layer nylon cable organizer fixes that forever. You've got mesh pockets for cords, zip sections for adapters and SD cards, and elastic loops for battery packs or dongles. Everything in its place. No mess, no stress. Whether you're packing for a weekend trip or a month abroad, this pouch turns chaos into order. Give yourself a second to imagine reaching into your bag and finding exactly what you need every time. 18 bucks, that's it. Small price for total control. Number 4, the digital luggage scale. Okay, picture this. You're at the airport check-in desk. The scale flashes red. Your bag's over the limit. Now you're pulling out shoes, hoodies, even your laptop, just to make weight. Sound familiar? This pocket-sized digital scale makes sure that never happens again. Hook it to your bag. Lift, read. That's it. No guesswork. No panic. Just instant peace of mind. It weighs almost nothing and could save you hundreds in airline fees. It's one of those gadgets you'll forget you have until the moment you absolutely need it. Number 3, the 9-in-1 tech multi-tool. Let's say you're traveling internationally. You need a SIM ejector, or a USB-C adapter, or a micro SD reader. Now what? This little device solves all of that. It folds out to reveal 9 different tools: SIM ejector, USB-C adapter, lightning, card reader, even a foldable phone stand. And when you're done, it collapses back into a sleek stick, smaller than your finger. It's genius. One tool to rule them all. And if you've ever spent 10 minutes digging through your bag for a single dongle, you'll understand why this is a must. Number 2, the smart carry-on suitcase. This thing is a tank and a tech hub. Travel Pro's carry-on includes USB ports built right into the top, so you can charge your phone without even opening your bag. And the wheels? They glide smoother than most office chairs. Interior compartments are thoughtfully laid out. There's even a dedicated laptop slot and compression straps to keep everything snug. It fits easily into overhead bins, rolls through tight spaces, and makes you feel like a business-class traveler, even in economy. Trust me, this suitcase will make you look forward to packing. And finally, number 1, your new travel MVP, the Satechi 3-in-1 foldable Qi 2 wireless charger. One device, 3 charges, anywhere in the world. Set it on your desk, open it up, and charge your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods all at once. Then fold it down, slide it into your tech pouch, and take it on the road. No more carrying 3 cables, no more hunting for adapters, no more clutter. At the airport lounge, just unfold it and drop your devices on. In your hotel room, use it on the nightstand for that clean, minimalist setup. MagSafe ready, Apple Watch certified, built with global adapters so you're covered no matter where you fly. This charger is the definition of smart travel. You'll wonder how you ever packed without it. And yes, we've linked it below. So let's recap. Number 5, cable chaos organizer. Number 4, digital luggage scale. Number 3, 9-in-1 multi-tool. Number 2, the ultimate smart suitcase. Number 1, the Satechi charger, the MVP of minimalist travel. These aren't just gadgets, they're game plans. They help you travel lighter, smarter, and stress-free. Smash that like button if you're upgrading your travel kit this year. Subscribe for more gear reviews and drop a comment. Which one of these is going in your bag? All links are in the description. Thanks for watching. This is Top 5 Tech.